This is Chris, 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the HEX Crossbody Dark Camo bag. So we like that the strap here is very tough and very thickly woven, and it's like a seatbelt for a car. This is definitely not coming apart anytime soon. High quality right there. And you can see the HEX name reflected in the pull. This is a HEX pull right here. And this is the dark camo version. Inside of the front zipper, you get a mesh set of pockets right there. And then this is a pocket as well. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. And then going inside of the bag, you have nicely padded all the way around, so you can put digital things in here with glass. They won't scratch. There is a wall here that you can remove. It's Velcro, and you can put anywhere up against, or you can just remove it all the way if you want. So it creates two separate compartments inside of the bag. And then on the back of the bag, here's some information about the YKK Zippers. This is a new woven in tough zipper that they have to offer. So there's some more information about that. And then this magnetically closes on the back. And then this pocket goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. So you can put digital things that are made of glass in here, and there's padding all the way to the bottom, so you won't have any breakage there or scratches. We like this because it comes with the YKK Tough Zipper woven in. This is the HEX Crossbody bag, and it is the dark camo version. They have different colors and different styles. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.